Now to the breaking news that affects hundreds of thousands of families in Chicago. Chicago Public Schools announcing classrooms will not open this fall. Students will stay at home to remote learn because of COVID-19 fears. They're reevaluating, may go to a hybrid plan, that in November. School leaders say the decision was based on science and surveys that parents did, and they said they did not want to send their kids to school. They say the decision had nothing to do with a threatened teacher strike. We have live team coverage of the breaking CPS news, including what it means for students with special needs. But let's start with Chris Tye with what school is going to look like in the fall. Chris.
Brad, 5 hours of live teacher instruction. That is just part of the full school day. CPS leaders have signaled to teachers and students they should expect part of an unprecedented school year that starts 34 days from right now.
Parents should expect a full day of instruction and engagement for their students. Teachers should expect to be at work for the full time that they would be working if they were in a school setting.
The home school day in 2020 includes real-time instruction from teachers, small group activities, and independent learning. The city is putting up free Wi-Fi for families that need it. 100,000 students can use it. They also say they have hardware for home use for those in need.
We have to be guided by the science, period.
Science. It drove the decision to go all remote learning this fall, but so did responses from parents in a district survey. Approximately 1 in 5 African American and Latinx families planned to send their kids to school this fall. Twice as many white families were prepared to do so.
Attendance will be mandatory. We're returning to normal grading. So again, there will be more of the traditional infrastructure that you see in a school setting.
So on day 1, September 8th, remote learning starts. Come November 6th, the end of the first quarter, things will be reevaluated. The 2020 new normal will mean the continuation of meal distribution, including new sites coming online this fall. Safe passage workers will stay on the job with new, sometimes home visit workloads, and child care services being developed for children of essential workers, which some experts say may create new health concerns.
There's going to have to be some creativity within the health and safety boundaries that are going to give these types of supports to families because they're going to need them.
CPS leadership is hoping that some of the hiccups that were felt this spring when things were thrown at them quickly can be ironed out this fall because everybody, Brad, will be on the same digital platform, a Google suite of software and hardware. The mayor, by the way, saying this news, moving things to remote learning, is one of the single biggest setbacks Chicago has faced since the pandemic began.
Chris, now they've reworked everything from meals to security to teaching to Wi-Fi. At least we think those things are going to be all in order. But what about the cost for families they're going to face by really turning their living rooms into classrooms?
Yeah, and it's not just classrooms. Living rooms will be turned into computer labs and art studios and gyms. Everything. Some parents we spoke with said, you know what, one of the hardships isn't just going to be Wi-Fi and getting a computer, but some kids need to learn math by putting pen to paper on a worksheet. Printing out a worksheet requires a printer or an ink cartridge or paper. Some families taking all of their surplus money and their money from the government over the last few months, putting it into this kind of thing so they can make it a reality for their kids. There is just a whole sea of issues, and we're going to keep on it.
Yeah, so much more to think about than what we're thinking about. Chris Tye, thank you.